course, viewers, on that note, we are in fact shifting focus to another heated debate. The political heat around Rahul Gandhi is rising once again, this time over allegations of dual citizenship. A petition filed by BJP workers, Vignesh Shishir, claims that Rahul Gandhi may have held British citizenship and even voted in UK elections. Now, these claims are backed by documents submitted before the court. The case has now taken a legal turn, with the Allahabad High Court's Lucknow bench directing the registration of an FIR. The court has observed that the allegations require investigation and may constitute cognizable offences. If proven, this could have very serious implications, including disqualification from Parliament. Now, what does the law exactly say? Under Article 9 of the Constitution of India, dual citizenship is not permitted. The Citizenship Act of 1955 clearly states that any Indian citizen who voluntarily acquires foreign citizenship automatically loses Indian citizenship. India does not allow overseas citizens of India or OCIs to vote as well. Now, the big question is, will these allegations stand legal scrutiny or collapse under investigation? Let's in fact take a look at some of the intricate details of this case and the court statements, what the Indian law says, before I rope in our guest joining us on the broadcast. We have in fact curated what exactly the Indian law says on citizenship. So let's dive deep into the details. First up, what exactly is the case? The allegations are that Congress Member of Parliament and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi holds dual citizenship, Indian citizenship plus British citizenship. These are the charges against him. The petitioner is S. Vignesh Shishir. He is a BJP worker from Karnataka who has approached the court and submitted a set of documents with regards to these charges. The claims are that Rahul Gandhi may have acquired British citizenship. The petitioner has presented documents claiming that Rahul Gandhi even voted in UK elections. These are of course claims that have been put forth in front of the court. Now, alleged offences under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Official Secrets Act and Foreigners Act, as well as the Passport Act. Now, the key issue here is that if proven, it would disqualify him as a member of Parliament. That is one of the first consequences. The Allahabad High Court, that is the Lucknow bench in particular, has ordered registration of an FIR against Rahul Gandhi. This is the latest development as far as this particular case is concerned. The court has observed that allegations of dual citizenship require investigation and prima facie show cognizable offences as well. The Constitution of India, that is Article 9, emphasizes that dual citizenship is not permitted. Apart from this, the Citizenship Act of 1955, Section 9, to be very particular, highlights that any Indian citizen who voluntarily acquires foreign citizenship automatically loses Indian citizenship as well. So this is of course a rundown. And in the meantime, no dual citizenship is allowed. Indian citizens must surrender their Indian passport upon acquiring foreign nationality. The exception is that Overseas Citizenship of India OCI cards are allowed, but of course voting is not. That is the latest and a synopsis of what exactly are the acts and the laws pertaining to this particular case, the ambit that it comes under. Joining us on the broadcast is a very special guest, Advocate K.K. Sharma, who is a lawyer at the Supreme Court. Thank you so much for taking our time and speaking to us. At the outset, what do you make of the Allahabad High Court's decision of permitting the registration of an FIR so that an investigation into this matter can take place?
Basically, law is what? If any complaint is made to the police officer for disclosing the cautionable offence, then court does not have any choice but to give direction to the police to register an FIR and do investigate. So the Honorable High Court has done his job judiciously. Now it is up to police after registration on FIR to investigate the matter whether the allegation level against the Rahul Gandhi is stand true or false. Now it totally depends upon the police officers. Yes.
Indeed. And in your assessment, then how should the investigation proceed from here? How should the police then take it forward?
Now it is the duty of police to collect the evidence from the complainant and verify the same from the victim, where he claims that Rahul Gandhi has is a director in a British company, where he has stated that he is a British citizen, and in India, while filing the nomination form, he claims that he is Indian citizen. So far as law is concerned, it is very clear that no Indian citizen can have a dual citizenship. As you have said also, that Article 9 of Constitution of India prohibits the same. So now it is totally dependent on the investigation officer to collect the evidence from the complainant and verify the same. If it finds true, then the Rahul Gandhi is punishable under the Passport Act and the other relevant provision of law. Or if it is not, then the police has to file a closure report that no offense is made out. I wanted to make a clear here. Suppose, let us assume that for a moment he remained citizen of Britain for a particular time. But offense will constitute when he has filed a form of nomination claiming that he is an Indian citizen. At that time, he must not have a citizen of another country. That only will make constitute the offense. Yes.
All right, sir. With that, I would like to thank you for taking out your very precious time and explaining to our viewers in very clear-cut terms what exactly would the consequences of this entail. On that note, viewers, we're dipping into a quick short break. There is more on the broadcast, so stay tuned on NewsX.